Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. You are still with me, Amrullah Al-Marabi. I will accompany you to listen some breaking news and some actual news and some late news in the sunny morning. English learning prevented when English become I live still. Jakarta. Wall Street English is transforming a business model that combines live still with the best method in the world of education and is international recognition. Wall Street English Indonesia decided the method specific for Indonesian who love to social and become part of community. In addition, being in the program, we have one member will no longer feel limited by time and place. Said Gisgil, President Director of WVSE Tuesday. This change gives the member the freedom to earn as much as they want. To give members the opportunity to follow interesting activities in our community with membership-based program. Blended learning methods and classroom are the most widely recognized method of language learning compared to traditional learning method is said. Currently, the method used by the WVSE combines both methods and are supported by technologies. The integration face-to-face interaction by qualified experts. I aim to help adults in learning English more effectively and can improve their self-esteem. Making English a part of life skill. Remember, I will be able to learn English. On why the WVSE is the hot regulant happen at the WVSE Brand Call Social Club. Thursday. The next breaking news. Conquering the idea of full day school. The government is preparing its president regulation. Jember, President Jokowi Widodo responded to police polemic of the Minister of Education and Cultura Erato Pep School Day is hybrid or full day school. Jokowi said that the government is still working on regulation that will be poured into the presidential regulation purpose. So the presidential regulation is being discussed with the Minister of Education and Culture. We will understand it, said President after distributing Smart Indonesia card to hundreds of students at SMP Negeri 7 Jember Sunday. Jokowi reiterated that every school should not implement full day school, police or any what name charter education system in teaching and learning activities. For the school that is ready, Jokowi said pledge implementation, but for schools that are not ready, it shall not be said. I need to emphasize again that there is no necessity for full day. So there is no necessity of full day school. Said Jokowi to be known for schools that have school day, please continue. It does not need to change to 5 days. Will for schools that have school day and if it is wanted by all parties. Please continue if desired by society and scholars, said Jokowi. The next breaking news. Tuition fee about is more affordable through the Pathway program. Jakarta. Studying abroad can of course be everyone than the result of Bachelor International. Usually more prioritized by multinational companies. However, not I feel this important the intention because of the cost factors that especially of the middle to lower economic people by the accidents of pathway program. Now you can find about also cheaper. Pathway program enable study want to get in Jakarta and continue their trip abroad, such as Australia, Singapore, or only Kingdom with a bachelor degree awarded by a student private university. Pathway program enables students to study at leading universities, such as the University of Queensland, Queensland Universities of Technology in Australia, Coventry University in the UK, and the University of Wollongong SB Academy Singapore for business program as well as the University of the West End of England, who for program decided site sales and marketing manager Raffles College Kebun Jeruk, the Hodora in Britain statement Monday. According to the Hodora International School students who have graduated from its level or the grad students from local high school have been able to start learning how the foundation program will be provided with international curriculum to become an excellent and independent graduate. This program starts each October, January, or January every year. They say. The Jakarta Post, Jessica declared suspect in Mirna murder. The police have named Jessica Malawangso as suspect in the murder of Bayan Mirna Salihin, who died off after drinking China-led coffee at Oliver Restaurant of Grand Indonesia, Central Jakarta on January 6. Jessica was there at table at the restaurant with Mirna and Hani on January 6 when arrested by the police on Saturday at Hotel North Jakarta. Jessica was arrested at 7 p.m. on Saturday, said Jakarta Police General Team Director SR Kom Krishnamurti in Jakarta on Saturday, adding that it had been decided to declare a suspect on Tuesday night. Since the night of Mirna, the police focused their investigation on Jessica, searching her house and visiting her several team as well her maid, who reportedly discarded the pants Jessica wore at the restaurant. The police also questioned Hani, a relative of Mirna, and employees of Oliver Restaurant and Etsy reconstruction of Mirna did at the restaurant. They also sought help from the Australian Federal Police to obtain information about Mirna leaving the country. Jessica visited the National Commission on Human Rights, Komnas HAM, on Wednesday to file a report saying she was being treated like a suspect by the police and the media. Before declaring Jessica as suspect, the police and prosecutor met on Friday to discuss the death. Bandar Lampung Desert on the report by Minister of Health in Bandar Lampung. The number of patients with diabetes reached 200 people in 2040. This report is based on the real number of patients from all the hospitals in Bandar Lampung. This number is higher than the number of patients with diabetes in 2018. Only 146 patients. They got the diabetes mellitus almost. The range of age of the patient is 20 people 40 45, yeah, all is and 45 and 40 26, yeah, all is 150 people. This number starts reading that the young people in productive agro got hectares that last year with only rest no one. The Ministry of Health said that this condition is followed by the bad habit with patent have before. The as much managing for than healthy for in addition. The no, not, they do not learn and exercise regularly in their activities. After this report, the Ministry of Health in Bandar Lampung hopes that people in Bandar Lampung will do some dietary program and keep all their bad habits live at morning for. The some accuracy again. The last I said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.